cutter is a very handy thing to have on you if you plan to work with tools. They can be great for a number of things and come in very handy. But sometimes yours might break or you might not have one on you. That is why today's video is going to be about what you can do in a situation like this. We will show you how to make a cutter using shaving blades. You should know that these blades are extremely sharp. Using them without gloves and other safety precautions is really dangerous because of that. In fact, they can even cut through rubber gloves. So, we will show you how you can adjust these blades and turn them into the perfect cutter that you can safely use without gloves or having to worry about any harm. For this, you are going to need a piece of wood like this one and some nails. Once you have those things, place the blade on the piece of wood like we have done here. After doing that, get a pen or marker to mark the wood underneath the holes of your shaving blade, like we have done here. After marking the holes, place the piece of wood inside of a vise grip like this, or anywhere else where it will definitely stay in place. Make sure that it is tightly held and will not move at all once you apply some force, because you will need to drill through it. Now drill through the piece of wood on the exact place where the marks are. After making holes on the marks, loosen the vise, turn the wooden piece around, and then tighten it up again. You should be able to see through the holes clearly if you made them cleanly. Now place the blade exactly how it was when you made the holes, and then place a screw inside each hole. Start tightening them in with the help of a screwdriver, but do not do it all the way in. Once the screws are inside and a little tight, you can use the drill to completely tighten them in all the way. This way, it will be much faster, quicker, and more efficient. Do this for all the screws, and then the blade will be perfectly attached to the piece of wood. You can see here how well the blade is fixed on the wooden piece. It also works perfectly, which we will show you by cutting this piece of cardboard. You saw how easily we were able to slice open the cardboard, and you can do the same by following this method. Another great thing about this DIY project is that you can turn the blade around whenever you need to. For example, if the side you are currently using on the blade dulls at any time, you can simply use a screwdriver to unscrew the nails, change the direction of the blade, and screw it back again so the side you are using is sharp. This simple method gives you a nice cutter that is easy to use, will not cut your hand, and will cut through most things you work with. We hope that you like this DIY project, and that you subscribe to Hooked on Tools so we can keep giving you more content like this.